Just picture yourself making millions of dollars with Shiba Inu tokens. The only thing is, will you ever have enough? The Bitcoin market is thriving. There have been major shifts. A commotion has ensued due to the whale's return. Shiba Inu's potential in the future might surprise you. But what is going on here and why should you be so excited? Allow me to explain. With each passing milestone, the impending critical juncture in the development of Shibarium, the Layer 2 solution for Shiba Inus, becomes more and more apparent. This month marks the one-year anniversary of Shibarium, a project that last year became the talk of the Shiba Inu community. Holders' excitement was through the roof as they awaited the launch of this revolutionary network. It was a real challenge right from the beginning. The network crashed under the weight of the Shibarium network's enormous transaction volume when it went live in August of last year. Consequently, there was a temporary halt in the market for Shiba Inus, which sent shockwaves across the neighborhood. Developers laid the blame on the unexpectedly high volume of transactions, which caught the system off guard. The network has evolved after a year, with the insights from the beginning shaping its current state. It wasn't until developers fixed the issues that were slowing down the network that Shibarium was able to get back on its feet. Following the completion of the necessary modifications, the platform was able to operate at peak efficiency. In a joyous social media post, the Shiba Inu crew proudly showcased some of Shibarium's most remarkable accomplishments from the past year. Some of the most notable changes to Shibarium are the 3 hard forks. The network's capabilities have been enhanced throughout time as a result of these upgrades. The release of a burn portal by Shibarium's developers, a device to permanently reduce the general supply of Shiba Inus, only serve to increase the momentum. This action may cause the meme currency to have a bullish wave, which would be a precursor to its future value. Nevertheless, what if I reveal to you that these accomplishments mark the very beginning? Shibarium shows no signs of slowing down. There has been an astonishing 1,500% increase in everyday transactions, according to the network launched last year. This rapid growth is indicative of the increasing strength of the network and the great demand for its offerings. Based on these numbers, it looks like Shibarium is well on its way to even greater achievements as it continues to evolve. The exceptional pace caused the number of transactions to expand from less than 10 million at the beginning to over 10 million by January. This rapid growth shows how much interest and demand Shibarium was generating back then. The extraordinary market revival of Shiba Inus is the latest important trend that has investors' attention. The reappearance of whales has brought about a profound shift. The Shiba Inu is making a full recovery. She had previously been kicked out of the Trillion Club, but she has since been reinstated. The past 24 hours have seen the transfer of almost 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The surge in activity clearly indicates that the meme coin is making a comeback. As whales, who are known to significantly impact Shiba Inu price movements, return to the market, the much-anticipated recovery seems to be began. New statistics show that the number of large Shiba Inu transfers has exploded. By the end of the day, 57 major transactions worth over 1 trillion Shiba Inu had taken place, as recorded by Alpha Block. This uptick in whale activity suggests the movement is picking up steam again, which might propel Shiba Inus further higher. The low volume of big transactions earlier this week, just over 390 billion Shiba Inu stands in stark contrast to this rise. Shiba Inu whale activity is on the rise as high transaction volumes reach 7-day highs. This recovery, which has occurred at the same time as the Shiba Inu price stabilizing and volatility drastically decreasing, is suggestive of the recent cash outflow and perhaps a decrease in whale activity. On the other hand, whales appear to have a more positive outlook on Shiba Inu's prospects now that liquidity and volatility have returned, an encouraging indication that, with more whale trades taking place, prices could rise even farther. The actions of whales can cause price swings in the near term, but they can also enhance volatility. This is crucial to keep in mind while these large transfers progress. The Shiba Inu price chart should be under close scrutiny for the foreseeable future. Large sales are important, but they don't tell the whole story when it comes to assets like Shiba Inus. Stay safe and don't do anything that could put you in harm's way, even when there are signs of a whale-driven recovery. Let's think about what the future holds with this consideration. The potential outcomes of Bitcoin's meteoric rise are the subject of analyst speculation. If coin market cap is to be believed, Shiba Inu has been closely monitoring the weekly changes in the price of Bitcoin. As Bitcoin's value has fallen, Shiba Inu has also fallen. But it has risen in tandem with Bitcoin's value. Two results are possible for Shiba Inu as a result of this tight relationship. Shiba Inus might benefit from the trend and experience a similar upsurge in value if Bitcoin has a significant price surge. The good news is that multiple predictions have pointed to the possibility of an impending Bitcoin rise. Famous asset manager Van Eck, for instance, came up with some intriguing predictions last month. Among their three potential forecasts, one said that Bitcoin would reach a bull market of $52,300,000 by the year 2050. Take Bitcoin's current price of somewhere around $60,000 as an example. In order for Bitcoin's price to meet Van Eck's $52,300,000 prediction, its present value would have to increase by an astounding 8,700%. This is still far lower than Bitcoin's 95 million% growth rate throughout the years, according to CoinMarketCap. But if Bitcoin experienced such a dramatic increase, its value would surely skyrocket, and other cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu would see similar fluctuations. The current Shiba Inu exchange rate is 4Z. If Shiba Inu were to skyrocket from its current position, it would hit a new record high of almost 1 cent. To get to that price, Shiba Inu would remove 3 leading zeros, continuing its amazing rise from 2020 and 2021. This is still purely hypothetical, so keep that in mind. Even if Shiba Inu and Bitcoin both reach extraordinarily high levels, it doesn't mean they will necessarily rise at the same rate. A large whale address bought a lot of Shiba Inu coins, as the Crypto Basic just revealed. The accumulation of a large number of Shiba Inus by whales in the past month was confirmed by Santamen. Based on this growing tendency, these major players seem to be betting on Shiba Inu's future profitability. Interestingly, the Crypto Basic, a well-known cryptocurrency news source, has looked into the amount of Shiba Inu that these whales would need to reach their ambitious $1 billion valuation target at 1 cent or even 10 cents. $1 billion is the same as 100 billion Shiba Inus at the penny rate. Right now, 100 billion tokens would set you back around $1,300,000. To hit the $1 billion milestone, however, once Shiba Inu reaches 10 cents, only 10 billion tokens would be required. At the present time, the price of 10 billion Shiba Inu tokens is above $130,000. These figures present an attractive investment opportunity, but it is not yet known whether Shiba Inu can achieve these targets. It is doable, say the experts. For example, market experts have pointed to Dogecoin's past performance. The rapid rise in value of Dogecoin surprised many investors. They claim that the success of Dogecoin proves that even the most implausible dreams may come true. The opinions of Shiba Inus align with this idea as well. Rumor has it that Shiba Inus may achieve similar heights, so naturally, many are excited about the breed's potential. Is that anything you're considering, though? Post a remark down below. Your opinion would be greatly appreciated. If you want to know more, just click on one of the videos that are shown on the screen. So that's the end of the video. To show your appreciation, please use the comment box to share your thoughts. This has to be spread.